Are you new to Raid Shadow Legends and do not know what Champion Masteries are? In this video, I'll explain Champion Masteries, what they are and how to use them the right way. What are Masteries? Masteries are permanent stat boosts and special effects that make your champions stronger. They can increase damage, survivability, or even add extra turns and effects. How to unlock them? In order to unlock Masteries, you need to farm Minotaur's Labyrinth. These dungeon drops scrolls that you use to upgrade your mastery tree. There are 3 trees: offense for damage dealers, defense for tanks and survivability, and support for healers and debuffers. You usually combine 2 trees depending on your champion's role. The tiers can be explained by the following ways. Masteries are divided into tiers. The higher you go, the stronger the bonuses, but they cost more scrolls. These give use effects like extra damage or healing. Choosing the right one can completely change your champion. The best strategy is that for nukers, you need to go offense tree. For tanks, you need to go defense plus support. And for debuffers, you should always go support plus accuracy boosts. Always build based on your champion's role. Early game, you can buy full masteries with gems for your main champion, and it saves a lot of time. That's Champion Masteries explained, simple but super important for progression. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more raid guides. See you next time.